Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 1 question number 27. Consider the following relation. These are the two relations, student and performance. Consider the following SQL query. One SQL query is given. The number of rows that will be returned by the SQL query is dash. Let's run the SQL query on these two relations. We have students and performance. Select a student name, sum P mark. So from student name, and from performance mark will be in output. From student S, performance P. So there will be a cross join between student and performance table where S roll number equals to P roll number should match, group by S student name. Here roll number matches 1, 2 and 3. For each roll number there are two courses, math and English, and mark are there. We need to add that. But in output it's group by student name. For Raj we'll add 80 plus 70 plus 80 plus 80. And for Rohit we'll add 75 plus 65. So there will be just two rows in the output as it's written group by student name. Answer will be 2. This will be output. 310 for Raj, Rohit 140. As Raj name is for roll number 1 and roll number 3, so we are adding 4 marks. For roll number 1 mark plus for roll number 3 mark, as both names are same. If it's written group by roll number, then there will be 3 rows. But it's written group by student name, as name is duplicate, hence it is adding both the Raj mark. This is a little tricky question. If you will not notice name are same, you might write answer as 3. But this is wrong, as name are same, as there are duplicate names, and it is group by student name, so it will give 2 rows as output. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.